Hi all. Welcome to Tuk Tuk Tech. In this episode, we will take a closer look at weekly pivots. While investors and position traders pay attention to the yearly and monthly pivot levels, swing traders usually hone into the weekly pivots. Weekly pivots are also best suited for Nifty and Bank Nifty option traders. Look at this week Nifty. It shows a 2-week overlapping lower value relationship. Notice that the opening print did not confirm the bearish directional bias of the 2-week relationship. Instead, price opened the day above the central pivot range. This is a perfect example of a drastic shift in market sentiment. When this occurs, initiative participants are extremely eager to push the price to a new value, which sparks a major move in the direction of the break, which was up in this case. How to add weekly pivots. Open CPR by VSD indicator, and from settings, only keep the next CPR resolution as weekly, and click on next CPR, and also click on show next support and resistance as shown in the video. If you are using 5 minutes time frame, then select 375 as next CPR offset. For 15 minutes time frame, kindly select next CPR offset as 125. This adjustment will correctly plot next week's CPR in your charts. Let's check few examples. Let's take a look at Bank Nifty 5 minutes chart. Bank Nifty retested the support on 2nd August before rallying to resistance 3. Notice that the CPR lines are very tight, which suggests that the target can be resistance 3 or resistance 4. Let's check one more example on Bank Nifty. Week starting from 28th of June 2021. Central pivot range was very wide in Bank Nifty. Remember from the previous chapter that wide CPR can lead to sideways trading. You can notice Bank Nifty traded sideways for the whole week. Also, this was a perfect setup for magnet trade. To learn about magnet trade, check the link in the description. task for the week. Go through our channel and watch all the videos related to Central Pivot Range. Want more videos about CPR? Let us know the topic in the comments section. In the next episode, we will cover the topic multiple pivot hot zones. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.